How to plant and grow cabbage. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to be showing you how to plant cabbage in your garden. It's very easy to do. So here, this is my cabbage seed, and I'm going to show you how to plant it. The cabbage is very easy to do. You want to make your garden bed. You want to make sure that the garden bed is good, has good compost, good drainage, and that would help you do much better. So you can also add organic fertilizer to it, or you can just regular compost or composted manure. You want to plant the cabbage a 1/4 inch deep. You want to space it 6 inches apart, and if you're making rows, make the rows 3 inches apart, so that they do better. So we're gonna be planting our cabbage right now. So I just made a couple of holes, and I'm just gonna plant one at a time. So let me show you how I'm doing it. So I made a little hole already over here, so I'm just dropping one in there, and I'm just gonna drop one in the other one that's next to it, and just like that. So we just want to plant or drop it in all the holes. And next, what we're gonna do next is just use our fingers to just close it up, close the holes up, and that is it. All you have to do next is just water it and let it grow. Okay, this is it. 1 week later, they came out and they're doing good. And so all you just need to do is water it regularly, like when you water your garden, and it should be fine. When they're a little bit much bigger, you can add a little bit more compost to the bottom of the cabbage. But if not, that's fine. You can also use water soluble fertilizer for it. So here, this is 2 weeks later. They're doing great. They're doing much better. And that's how you plant cabbage. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll add links to some of the items that I use in the description below, so check it out. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, please share with friends and families. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.